There are five magic words. There are five magic words. There are five magic words that I know. Please excuse me. Sorry, thank you. And the last one, pardon me. There are five magic words. There are five magic words. There are five magic words that I know. Please excuse me. Sorry, thank you. And the last one, pardon me. You're learning the five magic words in Igbo today. They are simple but very powerful words that you need to use every day. So stay with me. Let's learn them together. Number one, Biko. Please. Biko. Please. We use Biko for making a request. Just like yes, please for making a request. If you need something, you ask with please. Use Biko to ask your mom for something. Use Biko to ask your friend for something. Use Biko to ask your spouse for what you need. Use Biko and they will be very pleased to do it for you and even add extra. For example, Biko nye m nri. Biko nye m nri. Biko nye m nri means please give me food. Biko nyere m aka. Biko nyere m aka means please help me. Biko ka m gafere. Biko ka m gafere. That means please let me pass. Number two is Chere. Number two is Chere, which is excuse me. We use Chere to get someone's attention. Maybe we need to talk to the person, or we need the person to move so we could pass. So we use it. Or we can add please to it so that it will be more polite. Because if you don't sound polite enough, it sounds rude. Yes. Now Chere is excuse me. Or when we say Biko Chere, which is please excuse me, it sounds more polite. Now how do you use it? Biko Chere, gini bahagi. Biko Chere, gini bahagi. Excuse me, what is your name? Biko Chere, achọrọ m ịgafe. Biko Chere, achọrọ m ịgafe. Please excuse me, I want to pass. Excuse me, I want to pass. We also use this when we want someone to repeat what they said that we didn't get. Okay? For example, Biko Chere, onye ka isi na ọ nwụrụ? Biko Chere, onye ka isi na ọ nwụrụ? It means, excuse me, who did you say died? Excuse me, who did you say died? Biko Chere, onye ka isi na ọ nwụrụ? Maybe in the middle of a conversation, you heard something and you're shocked. Biko Chere, Biko Chere, gini ka i kwuru? That's how to use it. Please practice. Practice it. Practice, practice. Speak it loud. Speak it out loud so that you get more used to it. Get more fluent. Okay? Number three, ndo. Ndo, which is sorry. We use ndo to express empathy, sympathy, or apology. But one thing with this is that it has to come from the heart for it to be really magical. If it doesn't come from your heart, it doesn't work. See, just like you go to someone that you friend and say, sorry, sorry now. What kind of apology is that? It has to come from the heart so that it will work magically. That's why we call them magic words. Okay? Ndo maki hemere. Sorry about what happened. Say ya ndo maka nsogbu ahụ. Say ya ndo maka nsogbu ahụ. Say ya ndo maka nsogbu ahụ. Tell him sorry because of that problem. Tell her sorry because of that problem. That's how to use ndo. Number 4 is Imeela, which is thank you. We use this to appreciate people who do good things for us or who give us something. For example, ezigbo enyi m Imeela. Ezigbo enyi m Imeela. My good friend, thank you. Imeela maka taa. Imeela maka taa. Imeela maka taa. Thank you for today. Imeela n'akwa i nyere m. Imeela n'akwa i nyere m. Thank you for the clothes you gave me. Oh, thank you for the clothes. That's how we use Imeela. Number 5 is Gbaghara, which is pardon me or forgive me. We use this to apologize for wrong we've done. Because we must have done something wrong before we apologize. So it has to come from the heart to show that we are really sorry for what we did. Okay? Now, how do we use it? Biko Gbaghara. Biko Gbaghara. Biko Gbaghara. Please forgive me. Gbaghara maka ihe m mere. Forgive me for what I did. Nne biko gbaghara m. Nna m biko gbaghara m. Mother, please forgive me. Father, please forgive me. You're doing amazing. If these expressions are helping, kindly click the subscribe button so that you don't miss our next lesson. Now that you have 5 new tools in your Igbo vocabulary belt, kindly practice. Please practice them. Practice, practice, practice. Let everybody at home practice to the point that they will tell you that it's too much. Practice. Speak up. Say it out loud. Even when you're alone, speak it out. Okay? I am still Janelo Wanda. Thank you so much for learning with me. I will see you in our next lesson. Kari, 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 kari.